Question 18. A random sample of married people were asked, would you remarry your spouse if you're given the opportunity for a second time? Of the 150 people surveyed, 127 of them said they would do so. Find the value of p hat. Well, first off, we need to know the formula for p hat. So p hat is the same thing as x over n. Okay, so x is a data value divided by your sample size, so x over n. Okay, so our x value, how many people would say that they would do so? That is 127, and our sample size is 150. So this should be 127 divided by 150. Okay, so p hat is x, what we're looking for, over n, our sample size. So we're looking for how many people would remarry their spouse. That was 127 out of the total number, 150. So that should give us 0.847. And that will be our final answer.